There's a whole range of products that can be derived from sugar kelp on a commercial and commodity scale. The trick is, how do we build that industry slowly, responsibly, and get the investment necessary to get there? My program has been built around some very essential funding from the Department of Energy, the Mariner program they call it, that was trying to build basic tools to launch a seaweed growing industry here in the US. So they helped us start up a company called Macrobreed, whose mission is to commercialize all the genetic and selective breeding advancements that we've made. The biggest potential market that the seaweed industry is looking at in North America is for what's called biostimulants. It's akin to fertilizers, and it's particularly good at building the resilience of those crops to stresses like we're seeing with our kind of crazy climate now, heat stress or drought tolerance. So the cost benefit is really good for the farmers. We do a lot of talking with industry cooperators here both in Maine and Alaska. That's how we see our service as a research organization. It's helping the industry get to the next level and so they can meet the market demands that they're targeting. As we dissect the cost centers of seaweed farming, you can kind of break it down into a couple of them. There's the equipment, which is really cheap. It's mostly rope in the water and buoys. And then there's the most expensive one, which is our time and our labor, or the farmer's time and labor. That cost can be reduced by half by automation. Folks from my lab and from the Robin Littlefield lab here at WHOI, we put our minds together and came up with a scheme for what we call an automated underwater seeding machine. That propels itself along the 400-foot length of the growing rope and does it in a fraction of the time it would take to motor down the line. It makes it much, much simpler. I think both shellfish and seaweeds have a great potential for expanding the blue economy here in the US. I truly want to be as much help as I can to make this a vibrant industry.